Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. My name's Abby Chow and today I'm going to be giving you my September passive income report. Yes, we are at the end of October, so this almost doesn't make sense, but if you've watched any of my previous videos, you'll know that I lost everything, including my recording of my September passive income report, and so I'm re-recording it now. I was considering doing it as a quarterly report at the end of the year, but because I'd already recorded it, I already have calculated it, and because I know next month is going to be particularly different, I thought that it would be good to re-record it and to bring it to you guys. So here it is. So get ready, strap yourself in. Strap yourself in. Wow, are we on a spaceship? We might be, because it's like really cold and my god, I'm actually exhausted. I just came back from a day of work, so yeah, my brain is a bit mushy, but we move. Keep an eye out for next month's income report, because that passive income report is going to be really interesting. I promise you it's going to be massively interesting, so I can't wait to share that with you guys. So I'm mad excited, and that will probably be maybe next week or the week after. But for now, let's look at September. Though it's late, we're gonna track it anyways because it's important, and I had quite a good month considering most of August's report was made up of majority of Quidco, and that was like half of my report. So this time I don't have any Quidco in here, and I'm curious to see how I did. So the beginning of September, let's start straight away with Adsense. Adsense is made up of my all Google ads that I have running in my life. So on YouTube, obviously, on my second channel, Abby Abroad, where I talk about life. I do a lot of vlogging. It's basically my vlog channel and my first channel. And also from my blogs that I run, I do have ads running on there, and I don't actively post on there as much or write articles as much as I used to, but I still do get a little bit of income from there from the articles I've written in the past, so that's curious. But yeah, so once in a while I just get like a few pounds out of nowhere for nothing. So it's just those articles. It's pretty much every month. Like I don't make a lot from there. I make a few pounds from it. In September with AdSense, I made £50.31, which is pretty good. It's better than I did in August, so I'm really pleased with that. That it's growing, and I have been trying to post more on my channel. I actually didn't post as much as I thought I would have in September. I think I posted 2 videos, so, but I'm still doing, from where I had started posting regularly again, I've been getting income from that, so that's cool. Next is Medium. If you haven't seen my video on Medium and how I make money from Medium, I'll link that down below or in the card somewhere above. And from Medium, I have made 45 pence or 58 cents, which is, I don't really write much, so you know, I've been writing there more often, so you'll see how things will progress in my next income report from that. So yeah, so on the 2nd of September I got a Barclays cashback reward for 33 pence. I have no idea where it came from. I don't even remember, but it's basically just like on Barclays they have like a rewards system, so if you use their reward link and you go like say and shop on what's a good one, I don't know, booking.com, you get cash back from that, and then it just gets put back into your account. So most banks do that. A lot of the newer accounts, like current accounts, have that feature. So if yours has it, check it out, because you might just be spending when you could actually be getting money back from doing the exact same spending. So that was nice. On the 9th of September, I got my first free trade referral free share. So that was awesome. Thank you so much guys for using my referral. I hope you got a great share. Let me know what share you get if you do use my referral. You can just send me an email and I will send you a referral link if you'd like to use free trade. And that was £3.52. Also, again in September, I got another free trade share on the same day, on the 9th as well, and that was for £4.44. So that was really cool. That was a free share that I got. So thank you once again. On the 10th of September, next, I cashed out £10 from my airtime rewards, And airtime rewards is basically, it's kind of like a cashback incentive sort of thing, but for mobile phones, so for your phone bill, and it gives you money off your phone bill when you use your card at certain stores. So for this, most of it I was buying a lot of furniture and a lot of big items, so I have quite a lot of cashback from those things. So I cashed out, you can only cash out in £10 increments, so I cashed out £10 of that and got £10 off my phone bill, which is amazing. Hello. that was actually really nice. I definitely recommend it. I found it to be one of the most useful because you just add your cards. They don't take American Express, which is very annoying because I like using American Express for my big purchases, and I've been forced to use my debit card for those instead, so I could get these rewards, because the percentages are quite high in some cases, and you don't have to click a link, it's just automatically done. So, and on the 14th of September, I got my first free trade referral free share, and that was for £8.56, which is amazing. Thank you very much to whoever used that. Also, if you'd like to invest with Trading 212, I'll leave a link down below as well, so you can get your free share. To get your free share, all you have to do is deposit £1 on the platform. The end, you get your free share if you use my link. It's great. If you decide to use it, please let me know what free share you get. I'm always curious to see what other people get, and I'll let you know what I get. And a really weird one was on the 23rd of September, I actually got my first ever dividend. My first ever dividend income from Shell. I got Shell. It was my first ever free share that I got for signing up using someone's referral link, and that was the first share I got, which I've since sold a while back, but I had it long enough that I had it past the ex-dividend date, and that was for 12p. So I'm really pleased with that. That was a nice surprise. I don't particularly do dividend investing, but it was great to get it, and I am happy to get dividends and reinvest them back. And the last thing on my list is on the 23rd of September, I got my second free share from Trading 212, and that was for £8.55. So also really awesome. Thank you guys for using my link. I've reinvested that back into my portfolio. I've been trying to really solidify my portfolios. I've been trying to really get the ball rolling with moving towards financial freedom, and I can't wait to share with you guys my full journey. And just, it's so interesting to see where I started at the beginning of the year and where I might end up at the end of the year. It's crazy. So I can't wait to share with you all my progress over the last year. But yeah, let's just wrap up this video. So the total I made this month was £86.28, which I think is amazing considering last month I made 120, but £60 of that was from Quidco. So because Quidco's out of here, I actually made let's say £20 more than last month. So I'm really proud of that. That is a great increase, and I just can't wait to see where this goes. Spoiler alert, I already kind of know where this goes next month because we're almost at the end of the month, and I can tell you I have made more this month in October. I've made more, yeah, this month. So I'm really happy. I'm actually really ecstatic with that. You know, it's my dream to be able to have my money work for itself and to be able to do the things I love and not have to worry. And if I am in a job and I lose my job, it's so nice to know I have this to fall back on. So I'll do the final roundup. From Trading 212, I made £17.11 on free shares. For free trade, I made £7.96, and my total free shares was £25.07, which is awesome. And my total dividends, which I wasn't expecting, was 12p, and I'm okay with that. That is cool. I think that was a really great month, and I can't wait to share with you guys what happens in October. So do stay tuned for that, but I will see you guys all in the next video. Take care. Bye.